welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. I'm back again with this week's CVS haul. I wasn't able to do that much haul this week because of the CRTs I have, but the little I have, I was able to still save some money with all these items. Make sure you're checking your clearance section because there are so many things going on. That way, if you have some extra care box that is about to expire, you can actually roll them or use them for what you really need. Let me show you guys what I did and what coupons I used to be able to buy all this for free and still have $10 money maker after submitting my receipt to Ibotta. The first transaction I did was on the Head and Shoulder. It's on the deal of spend 12, get $4 back, and it's also on sale for 2 for $12. So I picked up one of the conditioner and one of the shampoo. And I used the 3 off of 2 Head and Shoulder digital coupon everybody's supposed to have if you have not used yours yet. And I also checked my September PNG, and we have a 3 off of 2 that expired on the 10th. So make sure your store accepts that, and that will take off $6. But I will be using this with a 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT. That's an email CRT that I have. So let me go get the rest of the items that will get me to 30. I added the cover girl to this transaction to be able to get to 30, and it's on the deal of buy 3 get $10 back. That's the 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT I'll be using for this. The eye pencils are priced at $6.79, so I picked up 3, and I'll be using 3 $2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com, and this is the 3 off of 2 from September PNG that I applied to the Head and Shoulder that will double dip with the app coupon if you still have yours. For the cover girl, I also used 2 $2 CRT, one from last week and one from this week, that will end up taking off extra $4. So I'm going to go check out, and I'll come back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt, and everything worked out as planned. All the coupons came off, and also the CRTs, everything came off. The 2 mystery coupons came off, and the Head and Shoulder double dipped and took off the extra $3. I ended up using just $10.41 extra care box, got $10 for the cover girl and $4 for the Head and Shoulder. And one more thing, I'll be submitting my receipt to Ibotta to get 75 cents back for the Head and Shoulder. I know Ibotta made some changes, but I will still submit my receipt and see what happened, which I did, and I got back 75 cents for each one of them. That's a total of $1.50. At the end of this whole transaction, it ended up being free and a $2.51 money maker. And when I received my Epic Beauty, that will add another $3.34, making this whole transaction $5.85 money maker, plus the $1.50 that I'll be getting back from Ibotta. My next transaction will be on the Aveeno Personal Care. It's on the deal of spend 30 get $10 back, and on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. I've been doing this transaction for this particular deal for the past 2 weeks, because normally it doesn't come around that often. So whenever I see it, I like to grab it as much as I can. And we have good Ibotta rebate of $2 back on each one of them. So what I would do is pick up 4 of the $10.29 lotion. 2 of them will be full price and 2 of them will be half off. And I'll be using a $2 paper coupon I got from coupons.com. I will use 3 of those, and I'll use 1 from the app. I have a 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT that printed at the end of the receipt that I'll be using in this transaction. So let me go pick up the rest of the items I will be doing in this particular transaction. Then I'll show you the whole items and the coupons I'll be using for each one of them. But I will be explaining each one as I go. Adding to the 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT, I'll be doing the Suave body wash. It's on the deal of buy 2, get $3 back, and it's also on sale for buy 1, get 1 half off. I will pick up 2 of the Suave men body wash. 1 will be full price and 1 will be half off. I have a $1.50 off of 2 Unilever email. All you have to do is sign up with Unilever, go on their website, sign up with your email, and they will randomly send you emails. Those can come useful also. So I'll be using one of the paper coupon. That will take off $1.50. So I will end up paying around $2.54, and I'll get back $3, making both items free and a 45 cents money maker in case you're doing this by itself. But I'll be adding this to the 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Crest toothpaste, or you can do the Oral-B toothbrush. It's on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 4, you get $6 back. But I'll be picking up just the toothpaste, and this is a limit of 2 in case you want to add more, but I'll be doing mine just once. So I'll pick up 4 of the toothpaste, and we have a 6 off of 4 digital coupon everybody received today. And that will also double dip with a 2 off of 2 if you still have your digital coupon, or if you have your September PNG. It expired on the 10th, so make sure your store accepts that. And when order applied, you will end up paying just $7.98 and you get $6 back. But I'll be adding this to the 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT. The next day we'll be adding to this transaction will be on the board bees. It's part of the buy 2 get $3 back, and it's a limit of 2, and it's also on sale for $4.99. So I'll be maxing this deal. I'll be picking up 4 of the board bees toothpaste, and we have a 5 off of 2 paper coupon from this month's PNG that expired on the 10th. We have 1 in our app, but I'll be using 2 from this September PNG, and that will take off $10. If you're doing this by itself, you will end up paying just $9.96, and you get back $6 because you're maxing the deal. And this will end up being just $3.96 or 99 cents each in case you're doing this by itself. But I'll be adding this to the 10 off of 70. Let me put all the products together, and I'll show you every coupon I'm using. These are all the items I'll be picking up in this transaction. I changed my mind about the toothbrushes, and I replaced them with toothpaste because it wasn't working out the way I wanted it to work out. That's my 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT that I'll be using for this, and the $2 paper coupon for each one of the Aveeno, plus a digital coupon that will also apply. The $1.50 Unilever email, that's a $1.50 off of 2 for the Suave body wash. And I also using a 2 off of 2 paper coupon from September PNG. For the board bees, these are the 2 5 off of 2 paper coupon that will also apply to it. So let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt, and we'll see how everything worked out. I'm back with my receipt, and everything worked out as planned. All my coupons, all my CRTs, everything applied as expected. I ended up using $28.39 extra care box to pay for this, and I paid $2.92 out of pocket, and I got back all my extra care box. I got back $6 for buying the board bees, and I got back $6 for buying the Crest toothpaste. I got back $10 for the spend $30 for the Aveeno, and I'll be submitting my receipt to Ibotta for $8 back. That's $2 for each one of the body lotion. And for the Suave body wash, I got back $3 for buying 2. So after receiving my rebate money and all my extra care box, this whole transaction ended up being free and a $1.64 money maker. My next transaction will be on the Revlon. It's on a tier deal of buy 2 get $5 back, or you buy 3 you get $8 back. This doesn't track, so you have to do this in a single transaction. So what I'll be picking up is 3 of the nail polish at $6.29. I have 2 of the buy 2 get 1 free. So when the 2 of them applies, I will just pay for 1, and the 2 of them will be free because those are double CRTs. You can stack them. And we all received an Epic Mystery CRT today of $2. So that will take off another $2. I will end up paying just $4.29, and I'll get $8 back, making all 3 items free and a $3.71 money maker. I'll be adding this to the Revlon transaction. It's on clearance for $1.62. I will pay that, and I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'll get $1 back, making it just 62 cents. I'm back with my receipt. It worked out fine. The 2 CRTs came off. I used just $5.91, and I paid 0, and I got back my $8. And I'll also be submitting this receipt to Ibotta to get back $1 for the Oreo cookie. I also picked up the free September beauty gift for reaching 30. So all I did was add the CRT to my card, and I got that for free. And this is where my video ends. Thank you all for watching and coming back to support my channel every week. And I'll see you all next week. Have a blessed week. Bye-bye.